is there a case where you think he has pretty clearly broken the law, and so ultimately there will be a ruling that what he did is illegal?
It's too early to tell, but he's done things that are gradations of illegality or possible illegality. To me, at the
Mm-hmm.
top of the list is maybe the least sexy thing is the TikTok ban. This was Congress basically banned TikTok from the
Mm-hmm.
United States. The Supreme Court upheld the decision. This was all settled before Trump became president. The ban went into effect the day before he became president. He comes into office and says, I'm not going to enforce the ban because I don't like it, basically. I'm paraphrasing, but that's basically what he said. And he ordered his attorney general to tell the private firms who were bound by this ban, don't worry about it. You can keep violating the law because we're not going to enforce it against you and it won't be deemed a violation. This
Mm-hmm.
is a really blatant refusal to enforce the law, which the president has a duty to do. Presidents have enforcement discretion in a variety of contexts, but one thing they can't do is just to decide they're not going to enforce the law because they don't like it. So that's the clearest, to me, example of an illegal action. It's also a huge threat, obviously, to congressional power, because if Congress can pass laws and the president just decides he's not going to enforce them willy-nilly, that is a major shift of power from Article 1 to Article 2. The problem in this case is that there's no lawsuit. It's not clear who has standing to sue, so it's not clear it'll ever be challenged. And that happens a lot in constitutional law. That happens a lot that presidents and executive branches do things that are arguably illegal, but there's no plaintiff who can bring the lawsuit. That may seem weird to a non-lawyer, but it happens a lot.